I would like to make some comments regarding the pretest. Okay, so don't worry about the pretest because it's just a pretest, something that I would like to test you even before I started teaching. So let me just comment on it so that you'd be able to learn something. So you go to the course requirements, and then by the way, there are some quizzes that I have prepared for you. Okay, let's go to this pretest, and teachers are able to uh, also assess what and how the students have uh, fared in the examination. We use this by looking at what we call an item analysis. Okay, so we go to the statistics, and then I have determined the following numbers that are most difficult. Okay, so meaning uh, only 20% maximum got these questions correctly. So let's proceed first with question number 3. Okay. So most of the places in the Philippines have a hot and wet climate. What do we mean by wet? Well, this is not this wetness refers to the humidity. Okay, so the high level of humidity. Okay, it's not the rain. Okay, so tropical places could be categorized as hot and humid and hot and dry. Okay, so this wet is referring to the humidity, the amount of water vapor that is present in the air. So that's number 3. Then let's go to number 5. Wait, no, 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 no. It did not go to, sorry, it didn't go to the, let's go for the screen capture. I don't know why. Sorry, huh? Okay, I hope you got question number 3, although it did not appear. So let's go to question number 5. Okay, it seems to appear. I hope it appears now. No, it doesn't. Anyway, wait. Let me just try to figure this out. I hope this appears. Okay, so what is the accumulated volume? Wait, is this number 5? Wait, okay, what is the accumulated volume of water, rainfall, rainwater that falls on a roof, given the following data? So you have 32 millimeters and the roof area is 20 square meters, and okay, so the formula is written already there, no? And the the product, okay, the answer is equal to the area in square meters times the rainfall in millimeters. So all we have to do is to multiply them. Okay, so the area is 20 square meters times the rainfall, which is 32. So the answer is 640. So that's it. The answer is 640. Now let's go to number 13. I hope this appears. Number 13. Okay, good. It appears. So what is the maximum number of times will the sun pass directly overhead? So the number of times that the sun is there. So in the tropics, you may have one, but the maximum number would be two times. Okay. So when that happens, it depends on your latitude, but the maximum number would be 2 times. So that's what is so unique, no? In a sense, unique with the tropics. The sun is very much overhead. Okay, overhead. Then we go to number 16. Sorry, 16. Okay, use whatever mapping you have. You can use latlong.net. It's already written here. Google Earth app. No? So those are the two things that I can think of, which is supposed to be already there in your laptop. You know? So you encode the 7 degrees north and longitude 125. So, and then you have a choice. No? So which major town is nearest to this coordinates? Okay. So yeah, using the Google Earth could be another session, but I hope, no? Maybe tomorrow when we meet, maybe I can demonstrate it. Or if you already know, please please tell your classmates. Okay, so the answer here is Kidapawan. Okay, so again, if I change this 7 to 10 and 125 to 120, of course, the answer is not Kidapawan anymore. And then we go to number 18. So what is the most influential factor of the thermal environment? So yeah, there are many factors that determines the thermal environment or the way we feel. No? So one category would be the thermal environment, and the second would be something like personal. Okay. So among the thermal environment, these are the ones that you find, no? This humidity, air movement, MRT or mean radiant temperature, and the temperature, the air temperature. These are the environmental, the thermal and the influences on the thermal environment, and the most influential on what we feel and how we feel is that temperature. So those are the 5 most difficult, questions. So let me also look at the. Let's review this 23. Because this seems to be something special. How can air temperature, humidity, and flow be altered in order to achieve a comfortable environment? So our job as architects should be towards attaining a comfortable environment. No? In this case, we are very much focused on the comfortable thermal environment, because there are many things, like there are many issues related with comfortable environment. Okay, it could be visual, it could be auditory, sound, etc. But in this case, we are talking about, or we are referring to, the comfortable thermal environment. So how can we alter or change the air temperature, humidity, and the flow of air? No? So the only way to alter the temperature, okay, to change the temperature, to change the humidity, and induce to change the flow is by the use of mechanical systems. And let's go to number 24. So which statement is false, which is wrong? Okay, so one of the things that students need to know is to determine which is false, no? Which is fake, which is the fake news. So if you are given these statements, which among them is fake or false in regard to the theory of Fanger about thermal comfort? Okay. It is not an exact temperature. So Fanger asserts that the comfortable thermal temperature is not exact. So this is true. It is a psychological rather than physiological. This is also true. And then one temperature is comfortable to all people. No? This one is the answer. No? So not one. No? Some of us may be comfortable with 24. Some are not comfortable with 24 degrees Celsius. So we have different preferences depending on our body weight, and depending on our upbringing, wherever, depending on certain psychological factors. So, and then it is a temperature where 90% are satisfied. So, yeah, this is somehow true as well, because the comfortable temperature is something related with statistics. Not all, but a lot of people will be satisfied with that. And that's it.